Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deploy package XML in Salesforce. So thank you. Make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will be needing to use this tool, which is the workbench.developerforce.com. Basically, it's a Salesforce tool, and then you can log in with your account, and I will allow the access. And basically now all you need to do is just to start jumping to any object that you want, or you can simply go to migration. And from here we want to deploy our application. So from here, we need to choose what you want. So basically here, you can either run tests, etc. You can ignore warnings, check only, or have also some auto updates. After that, you will need to have the zip file to deploy your package. And basically, you will need just to choose any file. And as you can see, you will need to have the file that is containing the manifest. And basically, it's also the package XML. And from the package XML, it contains the metadata of your package. And also start, you can allow missing file or anything that will suit your application or your package. And basically, you can also check if it was a single package. You can start or also run the test if you want, either run all tests in organization or only local tests. And at the end, you will need just to click on next. And basically, by clicking on next, you will be able to start deploying your package that has this XML file or the package.xml file. So thank you for watching and see you next time.